Hi everyone, so we will be talking about parallel processing. So parallel processing refers to a computer paradigm where multiple processors or cores work simultaneously to execute a program or solve a computational problem. So kung may tao paradigm, muna siya ang model or set of concepts that serve as the framework or model. So ningon diri nga where multiple processors or cores work simultaneously. So kung yung simultaneously mo-work siya at the same time. Parallel processing has emerged as a pivotal paradigm in computing, revolutionizing the way we handle complex tasks, large data sets, and resource-intensive applications. So I'm gonna say revolutionizing mo na siya ang pag-transform or change radically. So ang pivotal paradigm mo na siya ang nag-serve as a foundation for further research or fundamental or a central framework that plays a crucial role in shaping our understanding. So there are two most common multiple processor organizations. So these are symmetric multiprocessors or SMPs and clusters. So more recently, non-uniform memory access or NUMA systems have been introduced commercially. So what is symmetric multiprocessors? So an SMP consists of multiple similar processors within the same computer interconnected by a bus or some sort of switching arrangement. So the term SMP refers to a computer hardware architecture and also to the operating system behavior that reflects the architecture. So in other words, symmetric multiprocessors refers to a computer architecture in which multiple processors are connected to a single shared memory and are controlled by a single operating system. So in an SMP system, each processor has equal access to memory and input-output devices, allowing them to perform tasks simultaneously and independently. So, more recently, non-uniform memory access or NUMA system have been introduced commercially. So, non-uniform memory access is a computer architecture design that allows multiple processors in a system to access memory in a non-uniform manner. So in a NUMA system, each processor has its own local memory, and it can also access memory from other processor but with varying levels of latency.
What is a cluster? A cluster is a group of interconnected whole computers working together as a unified computing resource that can create the illusion of being one machine. What is a non-uniform memory access, or also known as NUMA? A NUMA system is a shared memory multiprocessor in which the access time from a given processor to a word in memory varies with the location of the memory word. Multiple processor organizations. The multiple processor organizations are single instruction, single data, SISD stream, single instruction, multiple data, SIMD stream, multiple instruction, single data, MISD stream, and multiple instruction, multiple data, MIMD stream. Single instruction, single data, SISD stream. A single processor executes a single instruction stream to operate on data stored in a single memory. Uniprocessors falls into this category. Single instruction, multiple data, SIMD stream. A single machine instruction controls the simultaneous execution of a number of processing elements on a lockstep basis. Multiple instruction, single data, MISD stream. A sequence of data is transmitted to a set of processors, each of which executes a different instruction sequence. Multiple instruction, multiple data, MIMD stream. A set of processors simultaneously execute different instruction sequences on different data sets.
And now, when there are more than one processor is implemented on a single chip, the configuration is referred to as the chip multiprocessing. Chip multiprocessing refers to a design approach where multiple processor cores are integrated onto a single semiconductor chip. Now, each core within a CMP operates independently, executing its own sets of instructions. This parallelism enhances overall processing power, enabling the chip to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. This architecture is particularly beneficial for applications that can be divided into smaller, independent tasks, as each core executes a portion of the workload. A related design scheme is to replicate some of the components of a single processor so that the processor can execute multiple threads concurrently. This is known as multi-threaded processor. In a multi-threaded processor, the CPU can switch between threads rapidly, providing the appearance of simultaneous execution and potentially improving overall performance by utilizing available resources more efficiently. An SMP organization has a number of potential advantages over a uniprocessor organization, including these of the following. First is the performance. Second is the availability. Next is the incremental growth. Next is the scaling. It is also important to note that these are potential rather than guaranteed benefits. The operating system must provide tools and functions to exploit the parallelism in an SMP system. That's all. Thank you for watching.